Okay, let's move on. So here, we will go to the next part. Next part, we want to know what is oversampling. So here, from also imbalanced data, imbalanced learn, but this time, sorry, imbalanced learn, but this time is oversampling means you will be last to be from the last to be more input. Random oversampling 啊，这个很像哦，记得一个是 undersampling，是 oversampling。So different from the undersampling, the oversampling will determine by the more the larger, the more category. So here, ROS is a random oversampler. Here, sorry, one more time. Random oversampler, and also we will put the random state as a parameter. Then we will be the same. And here we can copy, and we can totally copy this part, but we have to revise something. Otherwise, you will be make something wrong. First, this is the resample 2, and the Y resample will be resample 2, and this is not RUS, it's ROS. If you type it, it's okay, but if you copy it, you have the reminder. And this is Y resample 2 value counts. And now we will see the result, because the oversampling will make the last duplicate, 就重复的抽 duplicate sample. Duplicate resample, so the last will be more and and determined by the more category. So here I will give you a note here. The oversampling will determine by the larger category. Yeah. Okay. And then here, I want you to double click the R resample 2 because the formal is originally, because it's oversampling, right? So everyone will be kept. But more than the 1041, we need to know who is be resampled, right? We want to know who is be resampled, so we can do one thing to check whether it is resampled. So we will check passenger ID, right? Passenger ID. So here we don't use the 0, we use it and check. No, you don't hear anything. Okay, I need the passenger ID here. I need the passenger ID here. Okay, let me see. Okay, we can use the 0 back. Sorry, we can use the X. X is easy because X will including the passenger ID here, right? So before because the original is 1040 and 原本是1041 and more than 1040 you will duplicate. So we can make the resample X resample 2 and see 超过1041 more than 1041 who will be resampled here. So this is the original part, and here is the resampled here. For example, the passenger 4341 will be resampled, and it actually is be resampled here. So please draw your data frame here. From here, let the teacher assistant know you have to do that. And also, it's your name here. 你的名字 your name, and the results from the 1041, it would be 341, etc. And means from here we duplicate. We make the last as a more. So here, please insert the result, just like this. 好，你要截到这个号码哈，这个号码超过1040，这个地方才是 duplicate oversampling. It means this is oversample is twice. Okay? Do I need pause for your coupling? 我需要停一下吗？Okay, good.